अच्छा जी. Okay, so let's start with work centers and let's access uh, the configuration. Okay, okay. Sorry. Let me just repeat that again. SPRO, production, basic data, work center, general data, define category. Now, category, we can have different categories for work centers. It can be a machine, it can be a production line, it can be a labor as well. And based on that, we will assign field selection. What is field selection? We'll also see that. But in labor, let's see what is basically done to set up this work center category, that is labor. In labor, of course, there will be task list, routings, and inspection plans. Okay. Then field selection. What is a field selection? For example, in every work center, there will be fields available. The fields will be available for input, display, hide, or required. Okay. And of course, there will be default values. Some will be required. We can use those fields to be either required or hidden. That's up to you. And we'll see how we can actually do that through CR01. WC04, work center category 01. WC04, Mr. Dim, usage 01, standard value key, enter. Okay, 01 is for, this will be used for routings only. Okay, key over here will be 01, default values. Now you can default what pre-fed information can be given to work center, either for setup, machine, or labor. Standard units can be given over here. Capacities, what is the capacity that we're giving over here? 01 and 02, which is 01 is labor hours. Capacity unit, hour. Capacity utilization, 100%. Independent capacities, 1. Okay. Enter. 02. Machine. Machine hours. Utilization will be 100. 1. Okay. In this work center, we have formulas that will actually calculate how a person is being utilized and skills are utilized. Save. Okay, so WC04 was created. Okay, so that's how we can create our work center. We've already created that. End of the lecture. This was our lecture for today.